I've made probably over 60 trips to the Middle East in my lifetime. My first trip was over 50 years ago as a young boy with my parents. I've seen communities that have been attacked because they were Christians. Christians were murdered, slaughtered, those that could flee, fled. This is going on day after day, week after week. Christians are under attack, not just throughout the Middle East, but around the world. Last year is reported that it was one of the worst years in history for Christians. Over 90-some thousand Christians in the world lost their lives because of their faith. Well, right now I'm in northern Iraq, in the Kurdish areas, and Iraq is a good example of what is happening to Christians, where entire Christian villages have been wiped out. The people were either exterminated or they had to flee for their lives, and then their cities were actually destroyed by ISIS. This is a part of the world where to be a Christian and take a stand for Christ could cost you your life.